Welcome back to my channel. I am Sania Aman. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel and hit the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I upload my new videos. So let's get straight into this monthly subscription box what I receive every month, and it is called the beautiful BellaBox. For the beauties out there who really don't know what is this BellaBox, BellaBox is a monthly subscription box which contains lot of beautiful products. It has 2 full-size products and 3 samples will be given every month for you, and the monthly subscription costs around 17.95 every month. So you will get full-size products and also 3 samples. So if you want to go and try it out, check their website as well. So I will link down in the description box below. I'll open this box and show you guys like what actually I got this month. I was very excited to see this box because this is a second order. This card mentions what all products you have received in the box. So this is an exfoliating scrub, and which is from the high brand called enbacci, and this will cost around $45 if you purchase it in store. I have just taken some product on my hand here and I'll just see like how it goes. The cream has tiny particles in it so that it gives a good scrub to your skin. It's not oily and it is kind of a very mild scrub. I think you can use it just once a week or once in 15 days, so that should be enough, I think, and it really looks good. I'm looking forward to use this in this winter because skin is going to dry and I just want to use this. The next full-size product I'm showing to you is this baked highlighter from the Modelco, and it is in the shade of Moonlight. So let me show it to you guys like how it looks. It's really nice peach color over here. I will just try it and see a bit. It's not kind of a blinding highlight, but this is really giving me a supple, very medium dewy finished look. It's not that dramatic as you want to go in for the night time. It's very supple sheen you get, and it's kind of a light dewy finish which is very natural. So overall I'm very happy with this product. I got is from this Universal Beauty lip tint, which I'm really excited about. Even this is a full-size product. This website states that it is having a highly pigment with great color payoff that lasts for 10 hours without smudging or bleeding outside your lips. I just have lip balm on my lips here. Let me try it for you. This looks pretty. I like it. I like the shade. It's not too much pink. It's not light pink as well. So this is a very good lip stain. I'm very happy with this as well. One I got from this box is this Revlon Professional Hair Treatment Mask. It's in the fragrance of lotus flower. I don't know how much this camera is catching, but I am going to tell you about this. Like, it is having 10 benefits when you apply it on your hair. It prevents dry and damaged hair as well as the frizzy hair. Let me smell and just let you know that, because it's kind of lotus flower. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I'm looking forward to use this hair treatment mask and just see like how it goes. This is a sample what I got, and hope this works well. If it works well, definitely I'm going to purchase the big bottle in this one. It's a charcoal deep stain remover toothpaste. Okay, extra strength whitening toothpaste. I would definitely try this. Many YouTubers are going gaga over these kind of toothpaste, so let me try. If you want to review about this, just let me know in the comments down there so that I will review about this product as well after using it for 1 week. Let me see inside like how much it is, and that's a teeny tiny tube here, so I think this will last for at least 1 week or 10 days. So let me see how it works for me. After that I will definitely review about this product. And the next one, the bonus surprise thing what I got from this box is this Nutrimedix BB cream. So this is a BB cream what I got a sample, and it is from the brand called Nutrimatics. This is also a very high-end and good brand, and I'm looking forward to try this as well. I don't know whether I will go for this BB cream if it works well for me, but the things what I loved is lip stain, very good, hair mask, very good, modelco highlighter, okay, and this one, very good, toothpaste, I have to try it. So altogether, this was a review for this May subscription BellaBox. So if you want to take the subscription of this kind of BellaBox, just see in the description box below. So go straight to their website and register. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comments down there and share, give a thumbs up. So this is what it was, and see you in my next video with beautiful more content coming up. Thank you for watching. Bye.